Today's PE video is soccer fun. Let's go. PE with Van Dunk.
The long shot. How many can you score in 30 seconds? Left leg. Zig Zag Dribble. How fast can you dribble back and forth? Right leg. Left leg. The box dribble. Soccer shootout. Set up a 1-point line, 2-point line, and 3-point line. What's your score in 30 seconds?
That is soccer fun. I hope you had fun today. Try out all the games. Remember, if you're playing indoors, find a space that isn't around other people, or find a space that won't break anything, all right? In place of a soccer ball, I might use a balled up piece of paper or a balled up pair of socks. That'd be perfect. In place of a goal indoors, you can also use a laundry bin. All right, have fun.